Zoho spreadsheet tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Zoho Sheet, a powerful and free online spreadsheet tool. Whether you're new to spreadsheets or just switching from Excel or Google Sheets, this tutorial will make it super easy for you to understand, even if you've never used a spreadsheet before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a new spreadsheet, enter and format data, use basic formulas, create simple charts, and share and collaborate in real time. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is type in Zoho Sheet, then you're going to be redirected to zoho.com/sheet, and you can sign up for completely free. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and we're going to be creating our first sheet. To do this, you're going to tap on New Spreadsheet, and you'll be redirected to a new tab. Once on our spreadsheet, let's say I'm creating a spreadsheet to track my monthly expenses. I could give the spreadsheet a name, so I could tap right here and I could type in monthly expenses. So I can type it in right here. So let's say monthly expense. After I'm finished doing that, I'm just going to tap right where you see cell A1. And from there, I'm going to type in expense. So I'll type in expense right here. After typing in expense, in cell B right here, I'm going to be typing in, for example's sake, let's say I were to type in amount. After typing in amount, let's say below expense, I'm going to be typing in different categories. So for instance, I could type in rent. Then I could select food. And then I could type in entertainment, for example's sake. So let me type that in. After doing that, I can enter some amount. So for example's sake, let's say I pay $1,200 for rent and $300 for food and $100 for entertainment. I could enter that right there. Now that I've done that, all I would need to do now is calculate it. Now that I've shown you how to enter it, let me show you how to use their basic formulas. For instance, let's say we would like to add up the expenses. To add up the expenses, all we'll need to do, you're going to click right where you see cell B5. So we would tap right here. After you have tapped on cell B5, you're going to tap on equal. Then you're going to type in sum. After you have tapped on sum, you can see the different formulas pop up right there, and you're just going to bracket it, and you're going to type in B2. Then you'll put colon B4. Then you'll bracket it once more. After you have done that, you're going to tap on enter, and you're going to see a sum right there. So you'll see that it has now been added up. And if we were to change the amount in any one of these sections, so let's say for example I were to change entertainment from $100, let's say we were to change it to $200, you'll realize that the formula has changed. So that's how you'll be able to use a formula when it comes onto Zoho Sheet. Now if it is a case that you would like to format it, it is actually quite easy. So for instance, we could select the heading right here. After you have selected the heading, you can tap on bold. So we can bold the heading right there, and we can also add currency format. So we can select this, and we're going to tap on format cell. Then from there, you're going to select currency, and you can select the currency, as you can see right there. And you can see that we have now formatted our currencies, and that's how you'll be able to format a cell. Now, while numbers are great, a chart will make it a lot more easier to understand the data. To create a chart using Zoho Sheets, for example, let's say a chart for this data, we'll simply select the data. After you have done that, all you will need to do now, you're going to tap on Insert from the top navigation bar. After tapping on Insert, you can tap on Chart. Once you have tapped on Chart, from here you can see different charts that you can choose from. So let's say we were to select pie chart. After you have selected pie chart, you can select the style that you want to use. And you can see the pie chart right here with the information that we have added, as you can see there. And you can also customize it by tapping on Customize. You could give the chart a title. You can also tap on Amount, and you can edit it to your liking. Now that I've shown you how to do that, let's say you would like to share it. Sharing and collaborating in Zoho Sheet is actually quite straightforward, as remember that Zoho Sheet is a cloud-based platform. To share, you'll just tap on share in the top right hand corner, and from there you could select share. After you have done that, you can input the person's email address that you would like to share it with, and you can also decide the access level, whether you like them to be able to only view it or view and edit or comment, as you can see right there. So that's how you'll be able to share it. And you have numerous other features that you can use, and if it is a case that you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. Some other tools that you have access to, as you can see right here, if you were to tap on tools, you can see autocomplete, merge templates, and so on. And you can also adjust the size of cells by selecting the cell. Then from there, you can simply pull along the end. So if we would like to adjust the size, as you can see right there, you can adjust the size of the cells. And there are numerous ways you can customize it to your liking. You can also add color if you want by tapping on fill color right here. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you would like to download it as a PDF, you can do that by tapping on File from the top left hand corner. Then you could select download and you can select PDF document. And you can also view the different versions that you have created by selecting View Version History, so you could go back and see them. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative.